Hey, what's up, guys? It's me again. And the reason I'm speaking so silently is because it's time for my bedtime and my parents are asleep. Wait, they're not asleep. My parents tell me to sleep. So if I actually stay up, I'm gonna die. So please appreciate my hard work here. Alright, anyway, this is another review of an IKEA alarm clock. This time it's white in color and it has a modern kind of look. It has these kind of weird things which I don't even use, except for of course the timer itself. Oh my god, it makes too much sound. Sounds good. Alright, so this is the timer. If you guys can see, the function of this thing is so that you can do this thing in which you time something. I mainly use it to time myself when playing video games, because if I go overboard I'll get a spanking. Alright, and now this is I think it's the alarm clock, I don't know. Alright, this is the alarm clock and I don't use it. This is the time. I actually have a watch and I also have my phone, and the temperature is not even correct right now, so yeah, that's it for the video, guys. It's really short. I think my mom's coming.